So hi guys, and welcome to my second Cisco tutorial. We're going to do some dynamic net. In the previous video you saw me doing some static net for each of our clients, but it's very difficult if you have like 100 clients. So what you're going to do is we're going to create an access list so that each address starting with 192.168 can access the global address. So let's get started. So I already set up the IPs for our clients and our server and the routers, so the serial interface and the FA fast Ethernet interface. So you can see here, voila. And then also for this router, it's the same as in the previous video. So going to be a very short one. So what we're going to do is going to our command line of our local router, and what we are going to do is set up the net inside and outside. So we're going to do fast Ethernet. Oops, I'm not in enable mode and config mode, and then we're going to do int fa0/0 going to be our IP net inside exit, then our serial, pnet outside, then exit, and then we're going to create a access list. So IP access list standard access list, and we're going to give it a name. In my case it will be my list. We press enter, and now we're going to say we're going to permit everyone from that access list, so all our clients get permitted. So each address starting with 192.168.0.0, and of course the subnet is going to be 255.255. So we're going to permit every one of our clients to access our net with our access list. So we press enter, then we do exit, and then we of course have to say it IP net inside source list, and then the name of our list, my list, and then the interface which they are going to get, the outside interface which they connect with our internet connection from our ISP, so SE2/0, and then you have to place a very important keyword. It's called overload, and overload means that all our clients can access. If you don't set the keyword overload, only one client can access the serial interface. So overload means that all our clients get at the same time can access the internet, if you could call it. Okay, we press enter, and then we have to set up a route, of course. IP route 0.0.0.0, and then 0.0.0.0 1.1.1.2. Press enter, and then we are done. So now we've set up a dynamic net translation for our router. So now we can get to our computer, go to desktop, ping, and now we can ping the server. Normally the first one will always be request timeout, but then we get a reply. As you can see, we get immediately a reply. If we do it again, we get a reply, and also our second client can now also connect to the server, being 172.168.0.2, and he's also getting a reply. So yeah guys, it's about dynamic net. So you see, it's not very difficult to create. So all our clients can now access the outside global address. So they're all going to use this address to communicate to the internet, in our cases to our server. So all their addresses are getting translated to the global address. So that's it, guys. So thanks for watching, and see you next time.